If you're building a new PC or reinstalling Windows, but you don't want to pay high price for licensed keys, I know a website called keysfan.com where you can find affordable keys for Windows and Microsoft Office. I know a lot of people buy a new computer, install the Windows, and then see the message, window is not activated. Or maybe they need Microsoft Office for Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, but the price feels too expensive. So KeysFan offers software keys for products like Windows 11 Pro, Windows 11 Home, and Microsoft Office. And on their website, the keys is delivered by email after purchase, usually within a minute. If you want to buy, the process is very simple. First, go to keysfan.com, or I put the link in the description below. Then choose the product you need. Like for example, Windows 11 Pro or Microsoft Office. Add it to your cart and then use the code GPI62 for Office and GPI50 for Windows. After that, complete the payment and then check your email for activation key. So after you receive the key, go to your Windows setting, click System, then Activation. Choose Change Product Key, paste your key, and then click Next. So KeysFans also give instructions and download informations on their website. And reminder for everyone, before buying, make sure you choose the correct version. Like for example, Windows 11 Home and Windows 11 Pro are very different. Also, Office for Windows and Office for Mac are different. So check the compatibility first. KeysFan says Office 2019 and Office 2021 are supported on Windows 10 and Windows 11. And Office for Mac needs Mac OS 12.0 or later. So if you need cheaper Windows or cheap Microsoft Office key, you can check keysfan.com and compare the options. The link is in my description. Make sure to read the product details before you buy. And that's it. I hope it helps you save money on your next Windows or Office activation. Peace out, everybody.